This video is continuation of the Dasaga 21 of Narayaniyam on Navavarshas and Saptadvibas, slokas 7 to 12. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Shri Guruvayurappa Sharanam. किंचोतरेषु कुरुषु प्रिययाधरण्या संसेविदो महिदमन्त्रनुधिप्रभेदैः दंष्ट्राग्रकृष्टकनपृष्ठगरिष्ठवर्ष्मा त्वं पाहि विज्ञनुत यज्ञवराहमूर्ते. किमच further उत्तरेषु to the north of Hiranyamaya, Kurushu in the region known as Kuru, Priyaya Dharanya by the concert, the earth, Mahida Mantra Nudhi Prabhedaihi Samsevidaha. You are well worshipped by various great mantras and hymns, Vijnanuda Yajna Varaha Murte, by the enlightened ones in the form of the Yajna Varaha. Damshtra Agradrishta Ghana Prishta Garishta Vashma, the tusk ends touch the clouds with such a huge body. Tvam pahi, please protect me. Meaning, to the north of Hiranyamaya, you are worshipped by your dear consort, the earth, with the utterances of holy mantras and hymns of praise. You are adored by the wise in the form of Yajna Varaha, the divine boar, whose gigantic body rose so high that the tusk edges rubbed against the clouds. Do protect thy devotees, Hari. Next sloka. Yam yam disham bhajadi kim purushakhya varshe samsevido hanumada drida bhakti bhaja सीधाभिराम परमाद्भुत रूपशाली रामात्मग परिलसन परिपाहि विष्णु. Yamyam Disham Bhajadi, situated to the south of Ilavrita, Kimpurusha Akhyavarse. Kimpurusha, the region is known as Kimpurusha. Samsevidaha, your worship. Hanumada, by Hanuman. Dridha Bhakti Bhaja, who has a firm devotion to thee. Sida Abhirama Parama Adbhuta Rupashali. Sida is captivated by you in that form which is most wonderful and resplendent. Ramatmaga Parilasan, shining as Rama. Parivahi Vishnu, do protect, O Lord Vishnu. Meaning, towards the south of Ilavrita, residing in the region known as Kimpurusha, you are worshipped by Hanuman with firm and unwearying devotion. O God Vishnu, you as Rama do shine with a wonderful and beautiful form, a form that captivates Sita and is made more charming by her presence. Do protect, O Vishnu. श्रीनारदेन सह भारतगण्डमुख्यैः त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुदिभिः समुपास्यमानः आगल्पकालमिह साधुजनाभिरक्षी नारायणो नरसख परिपाहि भूमन्. Srinarathena Saha, along with Sri Narada, Bharataganda Mukhyehi, by the foremost devotees of Bharatavarsha, Tvam, you, Sankhya Yoga Nutibihi, with the hymns based on Sankhya and Yoga systems, Samupasyamanaha, well meditated upon, Agalpa Kalamiha, till Pralaya time, in Bharatavarsha, Sadhujana Abhirakshi, the virtuous protecting Narayana Narasakaha, Narayana who has and Nara as companion. Paripahi, do protect, Bhuman, O Lord of Universe. Along with Narada, by the leading devotees of Bharata region, you are meditated upon and praised with hymns based on Sankhya and Yoga. In Bharatavarsha, as Narayana with Nara as companion, you reside till Pralaya time for the protection of the virtuous. Guru Ayappa, please protect all devotees. Next sloka. Plakshayarkarupamayi shalmala indurupam dibe bhajandi kushanamani vanyirupam kraunjemburupa matha vayumayam chashage tvam brahmarupamayi pushkaranamni lokaha. Plakshe Arkarupam in Plaksha in the form of the sun, I, you. Shalmale Indurupam in Shalmala in the form of moon. Dibe Bhajandi Kushanamani. In the island named Kusha, people worship the Vanirupam in the form of fire. Kraunje Amburupam in crowns as water. Atha Vayumayam cha Shage, and then as wind in Shaga. Tvam Brahma Rupam Abhi, thee also in the form of Brahma. Pushkara Namni Lokaha. In the place called Pushkara, you are worshipped by people as above. Meaning, O Guru Ayappa, you are worshipped by the people in the form of the sun in Palaksha, as the moon in Shalmala, as fire in Kushadvipa, as water in Kraunj, as wind in Shaga, and as Brahma in the place named Pushkara. सर्वैर्ध्रुवादिभिरुडुप्रकटैर्ग्रहैश्च पुच्छादिकेष्ववयवेष्वविकल्प्यमानैः त्वं शिंशुमारवपुषा महतामुपास्यः सन्ध्यासु रुन्धि नरगं मम सिन्धुशायिन्. Sarvai Dhruva Adibihi Udupragaraihi, by all Dhruva etc., that is the group of stars, Grahaihi cha, and by the planets, Pucha Adikeshu Avayaveshu, imagined as tail etc., etc., Abhikalpyamanehi Tom Shimshumara Vapusha, you the great fish Shimshumar bodied, Mahadam Upasya, meditated upon by the enlightened. Sandhyasu, at the three Sandhyas, Rundi Naragam Mama, eradicate hell, that is all my sufferings. Sindhushayin, O resident of the milk ocean. Meaning, Dhruva, the pole star, and all the groups of stars and planets who are imagined as forming the limbs and tail of the great fish Chinchumar, in that form you are meditated upon by the enlightened ones at the three Sandhyas, O Lord, reposing on the milk ocean, that is Sindhu Sayin. Please eradicate my sufferings and my sins. पादालमूलभुविशेषतनुं भवन्दं लोलैककुण्डलविराजिसहस्रशीर्षं नीलाम्बरं धृतहलं भुजगाङ्गनाभिः जुष्टं भजे हरगदान् गुरुगेहनाथा. पादालमूलभुवि, O Padala, bottom surface, Sheshatanum Bhavandam, in Adishesha's form, Lola Ega Kundala Viraji Sahasrashisham, dangling one earring and shining in 1,000 heads. Nilambaram, wearing a blue garment. Dhridahalam, armed with a plough. Bhujaga Anganabhihi Justam, worshipped by serpent women. Bhaje, I adore. Sheshatanum Bhavandam, the Adishesha bodied you. Haragadan, eradicate my ailments. Guru Gehanada, O Lord of Guruvayur, meaning, I worship thee as Adishesha, the great serpent, residing at the bottom of Patal, having 1,000 heads, which shine with a single ever-curing earring, wearing a blue garment and having a plow as weapon, worshipped by Nagakanyas. O Guru Ayappa, be pleased to relieve me of all my ailments. Here, Sankhya and Yoga are said to be two earrings of Bhagavan. One Sankhya is taken by Kapila and the Yoga by Adishesha. Adishesha is said to be born as Patanjali, the author of Yoga Sutras. Now, with this chapter 21 of Narayaniam is completed. To close this video, we will have a sloga, Bhagavad sloga. Mukunda Murthna Pranipatyayaje Bhavandamekandamiyandamartham Avismrutistocharanaravinде Bhave Bhave Mestu Bhavat Prasadat. Hari Guru Ayappa Sharanam.